Hello students, good morning. Yesterday we have done about the self-induction and the mutual induction. That self-induction, that is the induction of a induced EMF in a coil itself, not any other coil. That is mutual induction, that is the phenomena of production of induced EMF in a coil when current changing through a neighbor coil. That is a mutual induction. Then today we will do about that self-induction of a long air core solenoid. When we are taking a solenoid, then what will be self-induction induced on it, that we will read. There is a in yesterday class, that is a we have done about their relation. Phi is directly proportional to the current, and then we will take for self-induction phi equal to Li. Then L relation we have done, L equal to E di by dt. Clear? And their SI unit of the self-induction is Henry. Now today we will do this derivation. In this derivation we will find their self-induction, that L in the solenoid. Let N be the number of turns per unit. Solenoid, everyone know about it. Solenoid, that is the wrapping of a wire, that is solenoid. Per unit length of solenoid if I current passing through solenoid at a particular instant of time, and L is length of solenoid, that is a self-induction. Here we have taken that solenoid, like this solenoid we have taken, their length we have taken L length, and their current is from this battery, current is flowing like this I current through it. Then what will be self-induction along this long coil solenoid? Then we are taking a magnetic field inside the solenoid. Magnetic field, in last chapter we have done derivation of this one. Magnetic field inside solenoid, that is B equal to mu naught Ni. Mu naught is the constant, N is the number of the turn, and I is the current. Then magnetic flux linked with solenoid, that is phi equal to Ba. Phi equal to Ba, that B magnetic field, A is area, and N is if there is a number of the coil. Clear? Then if we are taking phi equal to, now put value of here from the B, from this equation we can put here value, then we can write there phi equal to, first we are writing put value of B. Here we can write their first equation, here second equation, from first in second. Then we can write there phi equal to mu naught Ni An. Clear? Here put value of P from here, then we can write there mu naught Ni An, like this one. Now as we know that definition of the self-inductance, by definition yesterday we have done phi equal to Li. Clear? That is the flux is directly proportional to the changing the current. As current is changing, that is the proportional side limit removed, then we will take constant. Here we are taking this constant is L. Now comparing equation, this here we can write here that third equation, and here we can write fourth equation. Now comparing equation third and fourth, then we can write here that is Li, that this equation and this equation. Here also that is phi equal to this one. Then we can write there phi equal to mu naught I A N. Look here. After comparing this one, now from here we can cancel out this to this, cancel out, both sides remain same. Then we can write there L equal to mu naught N A N, and this small n is a number of turn per unit length of the solenoid. Now this relation we can write there mu naught number of turn per unit length, that is we can write here like this, then A by N. Now from here mu naught n into n square A by N. Here L length we have taken small l, that's why we are taking small l. Clear now? And L is inductance. Clear? Up to this one. Now next hour, that is the self induction in the solenoid. Next we will do our mutual induction in the two long air core solenoid. Air core means that is the not any other medium but having the air only. That is we will find mutual inductance of two long air core solenoid. That how we can find? Let here we are taking that one is a solenoid, we are taking this solenoid like this. Other solenoid we are taking like this one. This one second solenoid. Clear? Here we can write current in this one I1 is acting, here S1 solenoid, this one is the S2 solenoid. There are two solenoid. Because their mutual induction is the induction production of the induction due to the neighbor coil. If in one coil we are passing the changing the current, then in second coil itself there is a current will induce, EMF will induce, that is a mutual induction. Now let N1 equal to number of turns number of turns means like this, number of turns per unit length of solenoid S1 solenoid. In S1 solenoid we are taking N1, and N2 equal to number of turns per unit length of solenoid S2 solenoid. Clear? A is a common cross sectional area, is common cross sectional area of solenoid. Clear? And L is a length, L is the length of each solenoid. Let I1 be the current through solenoid S1. I1 current we are passing through through the solenoid S1 at given instant. Then magnetic field inside the solenoid S1, how we can find magnetic field inside solenoid S1. As we know that magnetic field B1 equal to, due to solenoid B equal to mu naught Ni. Here B equal to mu naught Ni. Here B1 is a magnetic field in S1. That's why number of turn in magnetic field 1 N1, and I1 is a current. That is the equation first. Second is a magnetic flux. Magnetic flux linked with solenoid S2. Then we can write there phi 2 equal to BA, that N2 is the number of coil in S2 solenoid, but there is magnetic field will act due to first solenoid B1A, and N is the number of turn in solenoid S2. Clear? Now here put value of B1 from this equation. There we can write here put value of B1 from equation first. From first equation we will put value. Then we can write there phi 2 equal to N2 and put value of this from here. Then we can write there mu naught N1 I1 A. Clear? Then N2 we can write there, this one is a N2 L mu naught N1 I1, that is equal to phi. So by definition of mutual induction, that phi 2 equal to M2 I1, that is equal to third equation. Here we can write their second equation. Clear now? Then we can write there by this one, comparing both equation from second and third, comparing equation second and third. Here also that is equal to 5, here that is also equal to 5. Then after comparing, then we can write there M2 I1 equal to N2 L mu naught N1 I1 A. Clear? This to this cancel out. Now here left M2 equal to N1 N2 mu naught A L, that is equal to fourth equation. That is mutual induction in the second coil. Clear now? Now in same case in the second, that second case for first solenoid, then we can write it, let I2 be current through solenoid S2. Then magnetic field inside solenoid S2, magnetic field inside solenoid S2. Then we can write there B2 equal to mu naught N2 I2, that is fifth equation. So magnetic flux we can find there, magnetic flux with S1, phi 1 equal to N1 B2A. Now put value of B2 from here, put value of B2 from equation 5. Phi 1 equal to N1L mu naught N2 I2. After putting value this one, now By definition of mutual induction, we can write there phi 1 equal to M12 I2. Now comparing equation 6th and 7th, then we can write there M12 I2 M1 L mu naught N2 I2 A. This cancel out with this one. Then we can write their mutual induction on 1 due to 2, then mu naught N1 N2 L A. From this relation we can write this and this both are remain same. There both are remain same. Then we can write there comparing equation 4th and 8th. This 4th equation and this 8th equation, then we can write their mutual induction on 1 due to 2 equal to mutual induction on 2 due to 1, that is equal to M. So we can write there M equal to mu naught N1 N2 area into length. Clear now? That is the mutual induction due to the solenoid. To long solenoid we are connecting with each other like this, then it will be mutual induction. Clear now? Now up to this topic you have complete in your fair notebook, and try to solve this derivation in rough notebook also. Okay, thank you.